halfway to half distance for Romain Grosjean as well. Remember, it's 61 laps in total, this race. And there could be a little bit of gambling that there will be a safety car. Drivers working hard to try and cycle temperature through the brake disc and out through the rim and into the tyre carcass. Of the championship behind us, winding up in Abu Dhabi on the first weekend of November. Confirmation of the Constructors' Championship there, and unlikely now that anybody will climb over Braun Mercedes on board there with Sebastian Vettel as they make their way to the final corner, and slowing the field down is Lewis Hamilton.